Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 9.1 from question number 10. So this is two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and distance of the point from the poles. So children, the first most important thing is to do first draw its diagram, okay, by reading statement of the question. So given two poles are equal height standing opposite to each other on the side of the road. So let's draw the diagram. Here are two poles. Okay, two poles are equal height. Two poles are equal height, standing opposite to each other, either side of the road. So this is two poles standing to each other and standing opposite side to each other on the road, which is 80 meter wide. So the distance between them is 80 meter, okay, 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of pole is 60 and 30. So suppose this is the point on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 degree and the angle of elevation of second pole on same point, which is 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree. So this is a point A, B, and this is a C, D, and this is a point E. Okay. So children, this is the diagram of this question. Two poles are equal height, standing opposite to each other on the road. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of poles, one is 60 and another is 30 degree on the point on the road. Okay, then we need to find the height of pole and distance of the point from the poles. Okay, so let the height of each pole be h meter. Okay, so I suppose the height of each pole which is equal to h meter. This is h and this is also h, and this distance dx, and then this distance become 80 minus x meter. Okay, so let b equal to x meter and then ed equal to this is 80 minus x meter. Okay, 80 minus x meter, and whole distance BD, which is equal to BD, which is equal to 80 meter. So now consider a right angle triangle ABE. In right angle triangle, ABE, angle AEB equal to angle AEB equal to, which is 60 degree. So now using tan trigonometric ratio, which is equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 60 degree equal to AB by BE. Okay, AB by BE, the value of tan 60, which is square root 3 equal to AB, the distance AB, the height AB of the pole, which equal to x meter, and B is x. So this is root 3 x equal to x. Okay, suppose this is equation number 1. And now consider right angle triangle CDE. In right angle triangle CDE, angle CED, angle CED equal to 30 degree. Again using tan trigonometric ratio, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base is CD upon DE. CD upon DE. So here CD, which is equal to H upon DE, 80 minus x. Okay, and value of tan 30, 1 by square root 3 equal to x by 80 minus x. Now cross multiply, so this become 80 minus x equal to root 3. 80 minus x equal to root 3h. Now using equation 1, so here the value of x, which is equal to root 3h. Okay, so this is 80 minus x equal to root 3 into the value of x is root 3x. Now simplify this. So this is 80x minus x, 3x. Okay, shifting minus x on right side, so this become 4x equal to 80, and finally we will get the value of x equal to 80 minus 80 divided by 4, which is equal to 20. Okay, 20. So this is the value of x, which is equal to 20 meter, and now substituting the value of x, which is equal to 20 in equation 1, then we will find from equation 1 the value of x equal to 20 root 3. Okay, 20 root 3 meter and x equal to 20 meter. So therefore here we have find out the height of the pole. Height of the pole. Height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. Okay, 20 root 3 meter. And distance from a point of one pole and distance of a point on one pole which is equal to 20 meter. Okay, so children, this is the solution of question number 10. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now move to the question number 11. A TV tower stand vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree from another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So dear children, the first thing to draw its diagram by reading the statement of the question. So let's draw its diagram. So which is given a TV tower stand vertically on a bank of canal. So this is the TV tower stand vertically on a bank of a canal. Okay, from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top is 60 degree. So suppose this is a point on the other bank directly opposite to the TV tower. The angle of elevation, the top of the tower is this is given 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree, and also given from another point which is 20 meter away. So this is a point which is 20 meter away. Okay, from this point, the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation top of the tower is 30 degree. So now we will say that angle of elevation top of the tower is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Then we need to find the height of the tower, and width of the canal. Okay, width of the canal. So this is suppose point A, B, C and D. Okay, so the height of the tower is h meter, and width of the canal, which is equal to x meter. Whole distance is 20 plus x meter. So first let the height of the tower is h meter and width of the canal is x meter. Okay, the height of the tower is x meter and width of the canal is x meter and given AB which is equal and CD BC equal to x meter, this is x meter and CD equal to 20 meter and the whole distance BD which is equal to 20 plus x. Now in right angle triangle ABC in right angle triangle ABC angle BCA equal to 60 degree. So tan 60 degree equal to AB by BC. So tan 60 is square root 3 equal to AB. This is H by BC X and this implies X equal to root 3 X. Say equation number 1. Okay, and now in move to right angle triangle ABD. Right angle triangle in right angle triangle ABD angle BA equal to 30 degree. So therefore tan 30 degree equal to AB by BD, where AB is the height of the tower which is equal to x and BD equal to 20 plus x. The value of tan 30, this is 1 by 3 equal to h by 20 plus x. Okay, and now using equation 1, here x equal to root 3 into x. So this is 1 by root 3 equal to root 3 x by 20 plus x. Now cross multiply, so this becomes 20 plus x equal to 3x. This implies 20 equal to 2x and x equal to 10. Okay, so this is the value of x equal to 10. Now substituting the value of x which is equal to 10 in equation 1, then we will find the value of x. So using equation 1 we will find out the value of x which is equal to 10 square root 3. Okay, 10 square root 3 So this is the height of the tower and this is the width of the canal, which is equal to 10 meter, and height of the tower, PV tower, which is equal to 10 square root 3 meter. Okay, so therefore height of the PV tower is 10 root 3 meter, and width of the canal is 8 meter. Okay, so children, this is the solution of question number 11.